Jasmine. So today is day 3 of my ShopMissA week, and I decided to use the date night palette today. I decided to go for a pop of indigo right on my eyelid here, and I really do think that this is a very sultry look, perfect for a date night, as the palette says, you know, how it insinuates. So I am actually really excited about this look. I think it's super wearable, and even if like you're really into warm tones, I think that this is a great transition to just exploring the cool tone world. So I hope you guys all enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. So I already started doing the transition on this eye. If you're unfamiliar with what date night looks like, it looks like this. Very cool tone. There are some pops of like warm tone shades like in this area right here, but today I really want to do a cool tone look. I decided to wear my cool tone shirt today, so we're just so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lightest transition color on my crease, and we're actually going to bring this up pretty high because I do want this to be shown in the look later on. Hopefully I don't get too overzealous and make the bold look too bold. Now I'm gonna take this taupe purple, and I'm actually going to deepen up the crease just a little bit more. So I'm going to lean my head back actually, and I'm just going to focus this right in the socket of my eye here. And this is just going to prep for the other purple shade that I will be applying on my eyes today. Alright, so I do want to go a little darker because I do want to apply this really bright purple. I haven't really done a purple look in a bit. I usually do like soft purples, but this one is just very different. It's like an indigo type shade. So I am debating if I want to deepen up my crease with like this plummy shade or this like charcoal gray. I'm leaning more towards like the plummy one simply because it has purple undertones in it. So I'm just gonna take that very lightly. I'm gonna build this up. I'm gonna take this on a smaller blending brush. And so far in these tutorials, I have been using a lot of the foam ink eye brushes that come in the foam ink set. I do really like these. I kind of love all ShopMissA brushes in all honesty. I'm not really that picky with them because they are very strategic on what they put in their kits. So since I'm actually going out today, I decided I'm not going to bring it up too high so you guys can still see that transition that we applied, but also I don't want it to be like too intense and too smoky because, you know, it's like 10 a.m. So I really don't want this look to be like so crazy and so out of this world, but I still want that pop of color, and I still want there to be like cool tones in this look. Alright, now I'm actually going to take the charcoal gray, and I'm going to deepen up just the outer corner because it's not dark enough for my liking. So just taking that color on the tip of the brush and just making sure that I'm just like swiping it on so that it's not patchy and it doesn't get everywhere. Then I'm going to take that bigger brush, and without any additional product, I'm just going to go right on the edge. Super chill, just like that. Alright, so far I think I am liking the way that this is looking. So I am going to go ahead and do a half cut crease today. I'm going to be using my Catrice concealer to cut my crease. So I'm going to actually start with like the shimmery taupe right in the inner corner here, just so that the purple can blend in a little bit better, and there's also some type of like ombre going on. And then I'm just going to go ahead with that same brush and then take that purple and apply it. Yes. I'm going to blend it into the charcoal gray that we have as well. Okay, it's been decided I am gonna do a winged eyeliner today. I just love my wings. I'm just gonna take my NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner again and just create that nice slick cat eye. So I know you guys see the bakage under my eyes. I'm actually going to dust that off before I take some concealer to sharpen up the wing. This was just the Becca HydroMist powder that I've been using in the past few videos. It's a pretty good powder. It does give a little bit of flashback, but I don't think I'm going to be taking flash photos today, so that's fine. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that extra bit of concealer and just sharpen up this area. I'm gonna go ahead and tight line with that LA Girl gel liner in the shade Black. And then for a pop of color, I'm gonna take the Overnight liner by Marc Jacobs and applying this in my lower waterline. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna start with the light purple taupe shade. And this is just going to give me that transition that I need down here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that charcoal gray and apply it right near that eyeliner. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna take that same shade that we applied right in the front of our cut crease. Just bring that down to the inner corner like that, just so everything can kind of tie in and match a little bit. So I already went ahead to apply the mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with eyelashes. I have the Gaia Lashes with the ShopMissA glue. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. This is actually, I think, like my #1 favorite eyelash from ShopMissA. I do have favorites, but I think this one is just #1. Oh. Bitch. Oh my god. This look is everything, yes! Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the same face palette. Like I said, I'm probably gonna use this for all of the days, so I'm just gonna go in with Absolute and Magma. And we are gonna go ahead and start bronzing the face. I'm not a big cool tone person when the cheeks are involved, just because I am such a warm and yellow undertone person that it genuinely does not look right on me. So I can make the eyes as cool toned as I want to, but when the face is just like cool tone, I look ashy and dusty, so I kind of just want to avoid that at all costs. So for blush, I think I want to go in with Gamma, and I'm just going to go ahead with a light hand and apply this right on the cheeks like so. I wanted more of like a pinky blue toned pink because I think it would complement the look very well. I'm going to also drag this on the nose as well because, you know, I'm into that. Like, I really like it. And for highlight, we're gonna go in with a different highlight. We're using CreamPuff, and this is their baked highlighter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Still super blinding, but I don't think it's as blinding as the Powlighter, in all honesty. But it's still very pretty. So I'm gonna go in with some cool tone lippies. I have Jeffree Star Daddy, and then I also have Dose of Colors Sand. So I'm gonna apply the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick all over the lips, and then I'll place sand right in the center. And again, I'm gonna go in with the ShopMissA setting spray. Waiting for tonight. Alright everyone, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys all enjoy this look with this shirt. Hi, sexy librarian. Like, who am I? Like, hi sweetie. Of course I can help you find our fiction literature. Of course. Of course. Oh my god, literally. I love this look. I love it so much. I love the pop of color, and I just love how it corresponds to my black hair, my top. It's just like, yes, it's yes. So I hope you guys all get a chance to recreate this look, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.